Hello everyone, my name is John. I am the Senior Product Management Specialist here at ICRON. Join us in this episode as we investigate the challenges of effective supply chain management within the pharmaceutical industry and potential solutions to address those challenges. The pharma industry works with strictly high service levels, requiring precise inventory management to prevent both stockouts and waste, ensuring life-saving medications are delivered on time. Complex manufacturing processes and global supply dependencies are prone to potential disruptions, requiring agile supply strategies and risk mitigation techniques. Adhering to country-specific regulations for active pharmaceutical ingredients complicates supply planning, as these can frequently change for product quality assurance. Building customer-centric supply networks is crucial for pharma industry for timely delivery of essential medications, directly impacting patients' health.
One of the most significant questions pharmaceutical companies face in their operations is how much inventory should be stocked and where. From both a strategic and tactical perspective, that question becomes more challenging considering the supply chain network complexity. This complexity can involve multiple production and packaging sites, as well as many external suppliers. Pharmaceutical companies must also factor in shelf life and regulatory compliance, while they ensure strategically placed and well-stocked inventories. Addressing these challenges requires an accurate and industry-tailored approach, enabling flexibility in supply chain planning. ICRON's multi-objective network optimization solution, incorporating industry-specific constraints in the pharmaceutical sector, facilitates the creation of robust contingency plans and alternative supply routes. ICRON offers end-to-end visibility and traceability at each level of the supply chain, allowing planners to foresee the detailed outcomes of their decisions on supply-demand matching. ICRON empowers planners to find an optimal balance between inventory levels and operational efficiency.
ICRON streamlines inventory management with multi-echelon inventory optimization, tackling complex networks, supplier dependencies, lead time uncertainties, and demand fluctuations by optimally allocating safety stocks across entire supply network. Through comprehensive end-to-end simulations, ICRON tests and validates inventory policies against demand and supply uncertainties, providing detailed service level estimations and inventory projections, enabling effective risk mitigation strategies for industry-specific challenges. ICRON's cost-optimal and robust inventory policies significantly enhance supply chain resilience, minimizing risks associated with product availability, thus safeguarding patient health.